what's up YouTube? We got a cool quick little build for you again. I'm standing in front of a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. So the Rubicon comes from the factory about 2 inches taller than a regular Wrangler. So you could run a 35-inch tall tire without doing a lift on these trucks, which is pretty cool. So we're, instead of doing a lift, what we're gonna do is a Falcon adjustable shock on all 4 corners, just to eliminate some of that body roll that these trucks have. They're a little bit kind of loose on the highway when you're at speed, as well as we're going to do a Falcon adjustable steering stabilizer shock, which is also going to help out with some of that loose steering on the highway. And as far as wheels go, we have a really cool set of custom American Force forged rims coming, and we're going to be doing some side steps as well and a little bit of a headlight mod. There's a lot of little red hints on this truck, being that it's a Rubicon, so the customer wanted to do a red trim ring around the headlight, that LED strip that they come with. So we're going to take those apart, show you how we paint the inside of them, and it's going to be a cool little build. I think it's going to look really cool when it's done.
Your reflection in my wine glass, that's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. 1 time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah. So I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe name it. I'm still with the niggas that I came with. But everything changed once the fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot, I bought a round, play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy.
All right, so here's a look at the headlight, how we take it apart to paint the inside. Obviously it's all done already, but the way it comes off, the lens comes off, you have to heat it up, remove all the glue. And then we're gonna take this piece off of the center. This is gonna get painted red. This trim ring comes off. And then this is what goes around that LED light strip, and it gets projected through there. So we're gonna tint this red, so that way the light comes out red. And then we're gonna get this painted and get everything back together. All right, so here's a look at the finished product on the headlight. As you see, we did that trim ring around it in a candy red, which is a translucent red. So I'm gonna show you how the light shines now. And then that little trim ring around the center projector, we did red as well, just to complement some of the red hits that are already on the car. We also have it in the booth right now. We're gonna do the calipers red, and it's gonna have some cool little pop on it. And as you see, that's how it looks like with the lights on. That trim ring is now shining in red, kind of like those aftermarket lights that a lot of people are using, except these are the factory lights. You know they're gonna last, you know they're not gonna leak, and they're gonna be good. So that's one of the benefits of doing the headlight mod to your stock headlights. All right, so the wheels are in. Just realized that I finished up mounting them and forgot to film it. But we went with a 20x10 American Force forged rim, a 35 1250 20 Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tire, which is a really nice, quiet, light all-terrain tire, which is gonna work perfect for a Jeep. This is gonna be a really light setup compared to most wheel setups that you do on a Wrangler. So it's gonna help out because it is a small, light truck, and it's obviously quite a bit underpowered compared to a larger diesel pickup truck that, you know, most people are putting big wheel and tire setups on. So this is gonna work out perfect. And if you're watching this video, give us a call and mention that you saw it. We got this brand new Hunter tire mounting machine in. So if you've seen this video, we're gonna be offering a free mount and balance with the purchase of a wheel and tire setup. Here's a look at the calipers, painted and cleared. Red matches all the little red hits on the rest of the truck. Should look pretty good behind the black American Forces. All right, there's a look at it all finished up. I'm gonna go over a quick little list on what exactly we did. So we got our American Force 20 by 10 wheels, 35 1250 20 Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. We did the Falcon SP2 adjustable shocks. No lift on this one because, like I said, it's a Rubicon, so you could run a 35 on the stock height. No rubbing, no trimming, nothing. Everything worked out perfect. Under here we have the adjustable steering stabilizer. That's going to help out a lot with that loose steering wheel feel, especially adding a bigger tire. We did the headlight modification that you saw. We have that red LED trim ring now, little red bezel around the projector bulbs. We added these side steps on there. That's a nice touch, looks really good on the truck. We tinted the windows and ceramic coated the whole truck. So they're a little bit darker, nothing too crazy. And then around back, we got the same spare, matching spare to the four wheels. And right there we did the tow hitch receiver and painted the brake calipers red, front and rear. All right, so that's a wrap on this video. This truck's all done, ready to get delivered and looking really cool. Big time transformation from how it looks stock. So I think the customer's really gonna like it. And if you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, follow us on our Instagram and our Facebook page. We're gonna have some pictures of this truck up. And yeah, follow along for the next one. See you guys soon.